What's happening, everyone? We got another reset. Today we're doing the BLU View Speed Ultra. This one's from Verizon prepaid. Pretty cool phone. But if you have one of these and you have a pattern, password, PIN, whatever it might be that you forgot and you have to do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that. As always, just a heads up, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important, it will be deleted. Just keep that in mind. And just one more thing, we got a ton more resets and teardowns coming up. So if you guys want to see anything in particular, drop a comment. We'll try to get to that first. Otherwise, we have a whole bunch more devices to post. If you haven't yet, we'd appreciate a follow. But otherwise, let's get right into it. So with this phone, you want to make sure that it's off. Oh, so we want to turn this off. So we got a pattern and you don't know what it is. It's not working. So we'll turn the phone off. It's volume up and power to get the.
For that, you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or install a SIM card first.
Talkback is great. And then once the phone's off, what we're going to do is hold the volume up, which is up here. There's your volume down, and then there's your power. Volume up and power at the same time. And as soon as the phone turns on, we want to let go of power, but keep holding volume up. And these blues can be finicky. Sometimes they'll take forever to load. Sometimes they won't. Just depends on the phone. All right. Really simple menu here. You can either reboot or delete data, and we use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we'll scroll to factory data reset, and we'll confirm it. Now the phone's deleting, and now it's done. So we'll hit the power button again, and this will reboot the phone. Then when you turn the phone back on, once it loads, I should say, all the way back on, it will be on the welcome screen, and you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it up how you wish. And that's that. That is how you do a hard reset on a BLU View Speed Ultra. Like I said, if you guys have any questions or comments, just drop a comment. We'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. And if you could like, share, subscribe, all that great stuff, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.